Go to Cino.io to access referral bonuses for Bybit. Click on the Resource tab, and then choose Free Crypto. Scroll through the list and click on the link specifically for Bybit. You will be redirected to the Bybit website. Enter either your email or mobile number, and create a strong password to continue the account creation process. After clicking on Create Account, you will receive a verification code via email or text message. The code should arrive within a few moments. You may also copy and paste the code to expedite the process. Congratulations, your Bybit account has been created. You can now claim your rewards.